In order to analyze the manatee deaths data, go to Chapter 2, Bivariate Data Sets, and then choose Manatee Deaths. I'm going to resize this column to give myself a little bit more room. I'm going to bring down a graph and resize that as well. I'm going to drag down motorboat registrations in thousands to the x-axis and manatee deaths to the y-axis. Then I'm going to bring down 3 sliders. One for A, double click and call that A. Another one for H, double click and call that H. And a third one for K. Now I need to plot the function. Right click, and at the very bottom, it's off the screen right now, but plot function. When you do, it's going to be A times the quantity x minus h, move the cursor all the way to the right, plus k, and say OK. You don't see anything yet because the values of a, h, and k are set such that it's off the screen. This point right here, if I click on it, is one representative point, and we can see that it's 585.33. So double click on H, 585, double click on K, 33, and you can see that it goes right through that point. All that's left is to adjust A. Now, most students say it's broken or it doesn't work, but you have to think, since this diagonal is pretty much along the line, if I rise about 40, I run about 300. So the slope is about 1/10. I have to come all the way close to 0 in order to get it to work. And really what we need most of all is to hold down Control and zoom in here. And now we can do some fine-tuning. Lastly, you might want to, it's off the screen right now, but to right-click and make residual plot. And now we want to make sure that the residuals are close to 0 and that there is no decreasing trend or no increasing trend.